तुम्हें ये पसंद है? Do you like this? Do you like this? तुम कब उठते हो? When do you wake up? When do you wake up? क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you eat food? Did you eat food? क्या तुमने काम पूरा किया? Did you finish work? Did you finish work? तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? क्या तुमने गाना सुना? Did you listen to the song? Did you listen to the song? क्या तुम मुझे देख रहे हो? Are you looking at me? Are you looking at me? तुम कैसे आए? How did you come? How did you come? तुमने उसे क्यों बुलाया? Why did you call him? Why did you call him? तुम क्या महसूस कर रहे हो? What are you feeling? What are you feeling? क्या तुम थके हुए हो? Are you tired? Are you tired? तुम कब वापस जाओगे? When will you return? When will you return? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see him? Did you see him? क्या तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए? Do you need something? Do you need something? तुम कब तक रुकोगे? How long will you stay? How long will you stay? तुम क्या जानना चाहते हो? What do you want to know? What do you want to know? क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो? Do you know me? Do you know me? तुम कहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? तुमने कौन सी फिल्म देखी? Which movie did you watch? Which movie did you watch? तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? क्या तुमने उसे बताया? Did you tell him? Did you tell him? तुम किसके साथ हो? Who are you with? Who are you with? तुमने कितने पैसे दिए? How much did you pay? How much did you pay? तुम किसके पास जाओगे? Who will you go to? Who will you go to? क्या तुमने उसे समझाया? Did you explain it to him? Did you explain it to him? क्या तुम्हें ये काम पसंद है? Do you like this job? Do you like this job? तुम्हें किसने बुलाया? Who called you? Who called you? तुम्हारे कितने दोस्त हैं? How many friends do you have? How many friends do you have? तुम किससे बात कर रहे हो? Whom are you talking to? Who are you talking to? तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? तुम किससे मिलने जा रहे हो? Who are you going to meet? Who are you going to meet? क्या तुम उससे समझ सकते हो? Can you understand him? Can you understand him? तुम कितनी देर तक सोए? How long did you sleep? How long did you sleep? तुमने कौन सी किताब पढ़ी? Which book did you read? Which book did you read? तुमने क्या बनाया? What did you make? What did you make? तुम किसे ढूंढ रहे हो? Who are you looking for? Who are you looking for? तुमने क्या पाया? What did you find? What did you find? क्या तुम यहाँ हो? Are you here? Are you here? तुमने उसे कब देखा? When did you see him? When did you see him? तुमने क्या खरीदा? What did you purchase? What did you purchase? तुमने किसे बुलाया? Whom did you call? Whom did you call? तुमने किससे बात की? Who did you talk to? Who did you talk to? तुम्हें किसकी मदद चाहिए? Whose help do you need? Whose help do you need? तुमने किसके लिए काम किया? Who did you work for? Who did you work for? तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? तुम किसके पास गए? Whom did you go to? Whom did you go to? तुमने कौन सी मिठाई खाई? Which sweet did you eat? Which sweet did you eat? तुमने कितने घंटे काम किया? How many hours did you work? How many hours did you work? तुमने ये कहाँ पाया? Where did you find this? Where did you find this? तुम किसे चाहते हो? Who do you want? Who do you want? तुम किससे डरते हो? Who are you afraid of? Who are you afraid of? तुम किसे जानते हो? Whom do you know? Whom do you know? तुमने उसे क्यों मारा? Why did you hit him? Why did you hit him? तुम किससे प्यार करते हो? Who do you love? Who do you love? क्या तुम उसे पसंद करते हो? Do you like him? Do you like him? तुमने क्यों झूठ बोला? Why did you lie? Why did you lie? तुमने किसे भेजा? Whom did you send? Whom did you send? तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? तुमने किसे बुलाया? Whom did you invite? Whom did you invite? तुम कब चले गए? When did you leave? When did you leave? तुमने कौन सा रास्ता चुना? Which path did you choose? Which path did you choose? तुम्हें किसकी चिंता है? Who are you worried about? Who are you worried about? तुम किसके साथ रहते हो? Who do you live with? Who do you live with? तुमने किससे मदद की? Whom did you help? Whom did you help? तुम कब लौटोगे? When will you return? When will you return? तुमने उसे किस समय देखा? What time did you see him? What time did you see him? तुम किसके लिए काम कर रहे हो? Who are you working for? Who are you working for? तुमने उसे कैसे पाया? How did you find him? How did you find him? तुम कब जाओगे? When will you go? When will you go? तुम्हें किसकी जरूरत है? Who do you need? Who do you need? तुमने किसे बुलाया था? Whom did you call? Whom did you call? तुमने किससे बात की थी? Whom did you speak to? Whom did you speak to? तुमने ये क्या कहाँ सीखा? Where did you learn this? Where did you learn this? तुमने किसे बुलाया? Whom did you call? Whom did you call? तुम किसके साथ काम करते हो? Who do you work with? Who do you work with? तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? तुमने उसे क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell him? Why didn't you tell him? तुम किससे मिलने आए हो? Who have you come to meet? Who have you come to meet? तुमने किससे प्यार किया? Whom did you love? Whom did you love? तुमने ये कब खरीदा? When did you buy this? When did you buy this? तुमने किससे फोन किया? Whom did you call? Whom did you call? तुमने क्या पाया? What did you find? What did you find? तुमने उसे कैसे जाना? How did you know him? How did you know him? तुमने उसे कहाँ पाया? Where did you find him? Where did you find him? तुम किससे डरते हो? Whom are you afraid of? Whom are you afraid of? तुम कब काम पर जाओगे? When will you go to work? When will you go to work? तुम किसके साथ हो? Who are you with? Who are you with? तुमने किसे बुलाया? Whom did you call? Whom did you call? तुमने उसे क्यों नहीं बुलाया? Why didn't you call him? Why didn't you call him? तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? तुमने किससे बात की? Whom did you speak to? Whom did you speak to? तुमने किसे देखा? Whom did you see? Whom did you see? तुमने क्या महसूस किया? What did you feel? What did you feel? तुमने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? तुम किससे मिले? Whom did you meet? Whom did you meet? तुमने किससे बताया? Whom did you tell? Whom did you tell?